DC fast charging sounds expensive, but it might be your smartest business move for 2025. Okay, so when it comes to DC fast chargers, there's a few different outputs, the kilowatt outputs. Just like level 2 charging, you can get ones that are super slow or you can get ones that are super fast. There's also a wide range of how much kilowatt output you can have for your DC fast chargers. I'm always in the mindset of faster is better because for us as entrepreneurs, when we start our EV charging business, whatever it is, whatever level it is, we want those chargers to be fast because we're charging by the kilowatt hour. So the faster the electricity gets pumped out is the faster we make money, quicker turnaround, and the more customers we'll get.
And if you're watching this video, you're clearly interested in starting an EV charging business. And that's why I created a course exactly for people like you. You're already thinking way ahead and 5 years ahead everyone else. So why not take the course and get a step-by-step guide on exactly how to set everything up that will boost you even further ahead of the competition. And you can find that in the course below.
So there's a few different speeds of DC fast charging. Usually at the beginning, the older models were around 50 kilowatts. Then I'd say the most common that you'll find out there now are about 150. But now recently they have the super fast ones, which are actually called the superchargers. And those are usually 250 kilowatts and up. For this video, let's focus on 150 kilowatt output chargers for our DC fast chargers. Now, when it comes to DC fast chargers, there's a lot more going on than just with level 2 chargers. With level 2 chargers, you kind of get what you see. You see the charger and it's connected to the electrical system. But if you've ever been out and about and you've seen, mostly I kind of think of the Tesla superchargers in mind. But beside those chargers, or even if it's an EV Go or a Flow DC fast charger, you're going to see nearby is going to be a giant box. And this is usually housed with like a fence around it, or sometimes you can't even see it because it's all closed up with some sort of gate or covering. But this is your power cabinet. So you have your chargers, your charging unit, and then you also have your power cabinet. And the power cabinet is what's feeding all that electricity to the chargers. And there can be other things like there's one other component that I usually recommend, and it's called a battery buffer. So battery buffers are money, literally, when it comes to DC fast charging, because they will collect electricity when it's during off-peak hours when electricity is cheaper, so that when you sell it, you're buying low and you're selling high. And it's tough to just give a blanket number for DC fast charging because there's so many different components and factors like the location, what type of technology you're using, how much the electricity costs for the install to bring everything to the site, the permits, the fees, like it goes on and on. But hey, big risk, high rewards, right? There's a bunch of resources I have on my Gumroad. So if you check out the links below, there's going to be some really specific pricing there.